Hello everyone, welcome to 10th session of Core Java. In previous session we discussed about RMI methods and invocation. In this session we creating an RMI client server application. So first we set up the project. So create the new directories of your RMI project. The inside the project we create the subdirectories like server and client. So write the server code. We getting the server .java files, so import the Java RMI remote and the Java import the Java dot RMI remote exception. So first interface creating getting the server extend to the remote, and we add the function like greet, so throw the remote exception. Next, we create the getting server impl dot java. In this server getting server impl dot java. So import the remote exception or the unicast remote object. So in this class, we extend the unicast remote object implements to the getting the server. So we add the super method. So next we override the greet method. In a override greet method, so return the hello from the server. Next, we create the server, compile the server classes. So Java C getting the server dot Java. Then the start the RMI registry. So open the terminal and navigate the server directory to start the RMI registry, which is required to RMI communication. So RMI registry. Then the register the server object. So in this server directory, create the Java class that registry the getting server object with the RMI registry. Next step, we create the server main.java. In this class, so we add the try or catch block. In a try block, getting the server, creating the object server, and we behind dot rebind getting the server. So server name we add, then compile the server main class, then the creating the client. So getting the client class. In the client class we add the string message. So we call the function greet. Then we add also the local host for the adding, and the message we pass. Message from the server, and the message we pass. Then catch block we add, and the exception we pass the print stack trace. The exception we pass. Next we compile the getting client and verify the output. Thank you.